Got a TAD file from Audible and your media player won't recognize it? This is an older audiobook format from Amazon's Audible platform. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you play and manage these audiobook files. Before we dive into the fix, let me quickly advise. A dedicated universal file reader is your best defense against formats like TAD. I'll discuss this preferred again tool later. TAD files are audiobook files from the Audible platform, containing DRM-protected spoken word audio content. They store narrated books, lectures, and audio programs with chapter markers, bookmarks, and playback position data tied to an Amazon Audible account for authorized listening. Audible TAD files use proprietary encoding with DRM encryption wrapping compressed audio content. The format includes chapter index metadata, narrator information, and playback state data. Authorization requires Audible account credentials and device registration for license verification. Generally, TAD files are associated with Audible developed by Audible, an Amazon company. Full file extraction and decompression must be managed by a third-party utility. Windows may preview text snippets, but full structure and layout require an ebook reader. Open the menu by right-clicking your TAD file and choosing Open With. Try Audible first. If it's absent, select another program. This trial and error process is crucial for troubleshooting. If the TAD file won't open, don't panic. Failure to open this TAD file usually comes down to 3 basic scenarios. Let's go through this quick list and check each one off. First, playing an Audible app. Open the Audible app on your device and sign into your Amazon account. TAD files associated with your account are accessible through the library. The app handles DRM authorization and provides chapter navigation. Playback speed. Control sleep timer and bookmark features for comfortable listening. Next, using Audible for desktop. Install the Audible application for Windows or macOS from audible.com. Download your audiobook library and play TAD files with full chapter navigation and playback controls. The desktop application syncs playback position across devices through your Audible account. Finally, converting for accessibility. Use authorized Audible tools to download your audiobooks in compatible formats. The Audible app supports offline playback on authorized devices. For accessibility needs, contact Audible support about format options. Note that removing DRM from purchased content may violate terms of service agreements. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. When you need a guaranteed result, I strongly recommend File Magic. Its ability to read corrupted archives and show a file's contents instantly, even without the right extension, makes it invaluable. Get your copy at filemagic.com. If you found the instructions clear, please like the video and subscribe for new content every week.